Nutrient-rich, yet versatile. Amla. Curious to find out what it is? Cultivated throughout India and nearby countries, Amla has gained a following throughout the world as a superfruit. It's no surprise. A 100-gram serving of fresh Amla berries contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberries, grows on a flowering tree of the same name. The small berries are round and bright. Though they are sour on their own, their flavor can enhance recipes they're added to. One of the basket's last videos presented a brief overview of the complexities of the digestive system, and it's important to understand this process, also to comprehend the absorption process of vital nutrients. The basket is full incorporated offers everyone the opportunity to ask questions about food, nutrition, and health. Ask our in-house biochemist/microbiologist. You can type in, "The basket is full incorporated," or per Java. Also, Java tops to reach our website. Check out The Basket is Full channel to watch any of our videos or shorts. Now back to Indian gooseberries. Incorporating this ancient superfruit into your diet may improve your overall health. Health benefits include immune support and antioxidant protection. The high vitamin C and polyphenol content help combat oxidative stress and support overall immunity. Blood sugar regulation. Soluble fiber and bioactive compounds in Amla may help reduce blood sugar spikes and improve insulin sensitivity, beneficial for type 2 diabetes management. Heart health. Amla may reduce artery stiffness and improve lipid profiles, potentially offering cardiovascular benefits similar to some medications, but without side effects. Digestive health. Its fiber content aids digestion, regulates bowel movements, and may relieve symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders. Skin, hair, and cellular health. Amla supports collagen synthesis, skin health, and hair growth, and its antioxidants protect cells from damage. Potential anti-cancer effects. Laboratory studies suggest Amla may inhibit cancer cell growth while sparing normal cells, though more human research is needed. Amla berries also include several flavonols, chemicals that have been linked to benefits like improved memory. Here are some other health benefits of Amla. Diabetes control. The soluble fiber in Amla berries dissolves quickly in the body, which helps to slow the rate your body absorbs sugar. This can help reduce blood sugar spikes. Amla berries also have a positive effect on blood glucose and lipid counts in people with type 2 diabetes. Healthier eyes. Amla berries are rich in vitamin A, which is key to improving eye health. Vitamin A not only improves vision, but it also may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Amla's vitamin C content aids in eye health by fighting bacteria, which can help to protect your eyes from conjunctivitis, pink eye, and other infections. Immunity. One 100g serving of Amla berries, about a half cup, provides 300 milligrams of vitamin C, more than twice the daily recommended value for adults. You'll also find notable amounts of polyphenol, alkaloids, and flavonoids. Amla has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Memory and brain health. The phytonutrients and antioxidants in Amla can benefit memory by fighting against free radicals that can attack and damage brain cells. Amla's high concentration of vitamin C helps your body produce norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter believed to improve brain function in people with dementia. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, the bell icon, and share this video. TBIF has always encouraged individuals to do their own research regarding matters of health and nutrition. That is what I did. I want to share with you what I learned through research.